Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing the Batmobile. Yay! Here's the Batmobile, and from Hot Wheels Unleashed. It's legendary Unleashed, and has the real outside of 6-spoke wheels. And everyone likes Batman. Batman, trying to feed the Joker right now. Robin too. I'm here too. Yes. Why are you saying that even though I didn't ask the question to you? Also defeat the Joker too. And Harley Quinn and the Penguin and all sorts of guys. I can see you in there. So maybe Joker can see you. But they know you're a car, so be careful. And this is a gift from Brian. Thank you, Brian. Batman's, his favorite color is black, so all of his cars are black, mostly. Bye-bye, Showtimers. Thanks for this gift.